274 species in genus Drosera. What is Drosera? Drosera belong to the Droseraceae family, commonly known as sundew, is a fascinating genus of carnivorous plants characterized by their sticky, glandular tentacles that attract, trap, and digest insects. I've always been captivated by their unique appearance and ingenious feeding mechanism, which sets them apart from other plants. In addition to their insect-catching abilities, some species of Drosera are also valued for their ornamental qualities, with delicate, jewel-like leaves that shimmer in the sunlight. See full list at monsteraholic.com. What is Drosera used for? Drosera has been used for various purposes throughout history, primarily for its medicinal properties. Traditionally, extracts from Drosera plants have been used to alleviate symptoms of respiratory conditions such as coughs, bronchitis, and asthma. The plant's mucilaginous tentacles contain compounds with expectorant and anti-inflammatory properties, which are believed to help soothe irritated airways and promote respiratory health. Is Drosera an insectivorous plant? Yes, Drosera is indeed an insectivorous plant, meaning it captures and digests insects to supplement its nutrient intake. The sticky tentacles on Drosera leaves are covered in glandular hairs that secrete a viscous substance, effectively trapping unsuspecting insects that come into contact with them. Once caught, the plant's enzymes break down the insect's soft tissues, allowing the Drosera to absorb essential nutrients such as nitrogen and phosphorus. Where to buy Drosera? Drosera plants can often be found for sale at specialized nurseries that carry carnivorous plants, as well as online retailers and botanical gardens with plant sales or gift shops. When purchasing Drosera, it's essential to choose healthy specimens from reputable sources to ensure they have the best chance of thriving in your care. Additionally, some species and cultivars of Drosera may be more readily available than others, so it's worth researching specific varieties if you have particular preferences. How to care for Drosera. Caring for Drosera involves providing them with the right growing conditions to mimic their natural habitat. They typically prefer bright, indirect sunlight and high humidity, so placing them in a sunny windowsill or under a grow light can help them thrive. It's important to keep their soil consistently moist but not waterlogged, using distilled water or rainwater to prevent mineral buildup. Additionally, feeding them periodically with live insects or specialized carnivorous plant food can supplement their nutrient intake and promote healthy growth. How to pronounce Drosera? Drosera is pronounced Drosera, with the emphasis on the first syllable. The pronunciation may vary slightly depending on regional accents or dialects, but this is the most commonly accepted way to say the genus name. How to propagate Drosera? Propagating Drosera can be done through various methods, including seed germination, leaf cuttings, or division. One of the simplest ways to propagate Drosera is by using leaf cuttings, where a healthy leaf is carefully removed from the parent plant and placed on moist soil or sphagnum moss. Over time, new plantlets will emerge from the base of the leaf and develop into independent plants. Division can also be used to propagate mature Drosera plants, where the rhizome or root system is carefully divided into smaller sections, each with its own growing point.